Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about very interesting yoga in birth chart. This yoga is linked with your finance, your job, your career, your name, fame, prosperity, your savings, your source of earning. If you have a 10th lord in 11th house and 11th lord is in 10th house, mutual change of two planets. I repeat this, if your 10th lord placed in 11th house and your 11th lord placed in your 10th house, you will definitely blessed with a lot of name, fame, prosperity. You will earn a lot of money. You will earn money from multiple sources of earning. You will get a lot of name, fame from your workplace. You may go for job. You may go for business. Whatever you are doing in your life, you will get success, because 10th lord is in 11th and 11th lord is in 10th. These two houses play a big role in your career. 10th house is a house of your karma, your business, your profession, and 11th house is a fruit came from your business or job. Whatever you earn, this is 11th house. Your hard work, your profession, your stream of work, that is all 10th house. And the way how much you earn from your work, that is 11th house. And if 10th lord is in 11th and 11th lord is in 10th, you have a large circle of friends, people knowing you very well. You may become a very good celebrity. You may become a very good sportsman or cricketer or actor, because a lot of people know you. Even whole world is like your playground. You will play a big play. A whole world knows you because your 10th lord is in 11th and 11th lord is in 10th. And if you have a Mahadasha of these two houses lord, like if you have a 10th house lord Mahadasha which is placed in 11th house, you will get bundles of money. You will get unexpected gains, fame, prosperity. You will get a lot of good results from your workplace. Your finances will be excellent and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your health will be fine and you will enjoy a lot of good gains during 10th lord or 11th lord Mahadasha if they mutual change our houses. 10th house is also a house of your business, profession, which type of business you are doing in your life. In Kalpurush chart, 10th house and 11th house ruled by Saturn. So if Saturn is also well placed in your birth chart and you have a 10th lord in an 11th house and 11th lord is in 10th house, believe me, you become a very fortunate, you become name, fame, prosperity, and your contact with higher authority will give you a lot of support. You have a great energy and passion about your work, because you are very fortunate. Whatever you are doing, you will earn a lot of name, because your 11th house is active, your 10th house is active. 11th house is one of the fantastic house in birth chart. If any planet linked with 11th house, that planet give a very fruitful result. There is no debilitation, no exaltation formula apply in 11th house. Placement of the planet in 11th house will give fantastic results. And if your 10th lord is in 11th house, it means you are very fortunate. If you are a businessman, you will earn a lot of money from your business. You know how to multiply your money. You know how to get orders from others. You know how to impress others, and people will automatically get impressed from you, because you are very fortunate in the terms of work. You are very fortunate in the terms of business. You will get a lot of orders. You will get a lot of name, fame in your professional life, because 10th lord is in 11th. 11th house is a house of all around gains. Mutual, materialistic gains, spiritual gains, intuitions, friend circle, desires, hope, wishes. If your wish, you want to become a million trillionaire, you will easily become million trillionaire if you have a 10th lord is in 11th and 11th lord is in 10th. Through your business. Even you will get name, fame, prosperity in a small age of your life, because 10th lord is in 11th and 11th lord is in 10th. You will have a large circle of friends. You may become a very good, you can say, captain of large organization. You will start your big business, because 10th lord is in 11th. 11th house is a big playground, a multiple source of earning, lot of friends. If any planet, I'm not only talking about 10th house now, if second lord is in 11th, fourth lord is in 11th, fifth lord is in 11th, seventh lord is in 11th, believe me, you have the ability to become a top class businessman. You know how to earn money, how to multiply money, how to save money. and your all work will be excellent. Whatever you are doing, you will get 100 out of 100 positive results, because your 11th house is active. And if 10th lord is in 11th house or 11th lord is in 10th house, it means your old desires will be fulfilled related to your job and profession. Whatever you think about your career, whatever you think about your business and profession, your old desires will be fulfilled, because your 10th lord is in 11th house, which is house of fulfillment of wishes and desires. You may start any business with your friend as a partnership, because 11th house is linked with your 10th house, and you will get a lot of earning from that business. 11th house play a big role. It's one of the ultimate house in birth chart. It will give you a lot of fame, prosperity, and 10th house is also house of fame, prosperity. So if you have a mutual change between two planets, 10th and 11th, 11th and 10th, believe me, you are very fortunate, and your mud will become gold, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts, a lot of materialistic things throughout life. You need to know which type of placement of your 10th lord. Is your 10th lord placed in your 11th house, or your 11th house placed in your 10th house? If you have that type of combination, believe me, you are very fortunate. Whatever you do, you will success in your life, because you are very fortunate in the terms of making money. You're very fortunate in the terms of multiplying money. You're very fortunate making friendship. You're very fortunate get some business through your friends. Get your business through your social circle. You know how to deal with other. You're very good in PR if 10th lord is in 11th house. You have a lot of people knowing you. You may belong to a middle class family, but you will become a rising star if your 10th lord is in 11th and 11th lord is in 10th house. So stay positive, stay happy. I'm praying for your happy future, and you must check where your 10th lord placed. If you have a 10th and 11th, or 11th lord is in 10th, believe me, you are very fortunate. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar. Jai Hind.